Now we have the different options in this program. In this program, we have case and one complete program of case one we have for checking three integer variables, and which one is larger and which one is smaller, that is to be checked by this program. Then we have a case number two. In the case number two, we have to check whether a number is an even number or an odd number. So even and odd can be checked by this program. In case number three, we have to check temperature, and in case number four, we have to check the grade of the student. Finally, we have a default. If a user has any number which is greater than 4, then the option invalid option can be shown by the user. Now I'm going to execute this program, and the output will be shared to you. Execute, compile. Firstly, you have to save the program. That is a menu program that is to be saved. Menu program. Menu program, save. Now compilation. Compilation is under progress. Errors. There are certain errors, see out, backslash n, and can you assess the error, what the error is? Now we are going to, after removing the error, we are again going to compile it. Expected qualified ID before switch. Can you specify what the error is? The program lacking the main function. I copy paste the main function here and then executing again. In int main, error option is not declared. Okay, the variable option is used here, but the variable option was not declared, and the value was not entered in the variable option. So we first have to declare the variable option, integer variable option. So this is a necessary action, that we first have to declare the variable option, then we have to enter the value of option. Menu is where? Enter the first integer. So this is basically the first program. The menu program is not copied and paste. So we first have to place a menu program. In the menu program, the options were shown. So I am going to copy and paste the menu program. Executing. Now execution, compiling, zero error and zero warning. You can see zero error here. Now I can run. If you run, then menu is printed on the screen. Enter the option. Enter 1 to find the largest number among the three variable. Enter 2 to find the odd and even number. Enter 3 to find, this is the menu. Now cursor is blinking and waiting for the user input. Suppose user is gave 5 or 6. I'm giving 6 and press enter. So you can see that user input invalid option, because 1, 2, 3, 4, only the 4 switch cases were used. 5, 6, we cannot enter 5, 6. So now default is executed, and the menu option, which I wrote into the default, is executed here. Press any key, this program will be finished. Now I am going to execute the program again, because every time program ends and user has to run the program multiple times. Now I am executing again, run. Options are there on the screen. You can see the option. Now this time I am going to option number 2. Option number 2 for what? Input a number, and the program will check whether the given number is an even number or an odd number. If it is an odd number, then a message of odd number will be printed, otherwise even number. Press enter. Enter an integer value. Suppose I'm inputting 76. Is 76 odd or even? Is even. So it will be shown your number is even, and you can press any key to Now, that one more thing is lacking in the program. What is? Every time when the user input an option, then the program terminates after completing that. But in the menu program, every time we must have to go to the line number 1, and every time the menu will shown on the screen and user has to input some number, and there is the option number 5 which give you the exit from this program. Means loop is to be introduced into this program, then this program will be the complete program and menu will be executed in that.